Sa paparating na PBA Commissioner's Cup, isang posibleng sagupaan ang agad dumaani ng atensyon ng paghaharap ng dating magkakampi na sina Von Fesumal at Justin Brownlee. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa aking eksklusibong pag-abante.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive. Walang trash talk at walang hype para kay Von Fesumal sa posibilidad na makaharap si Justin Brownlee sa Commissioner's Cup. Para sa kanya, hindi ito tungkol sa rivalry kundi sa respeto. Bilang dating kakampi ni Brownlee, hindi na kailangang silipin ni Fesumal ang stat sheet o highlights para malaman kung ano ang haharapin. Alam na niya ito mula sa mga pinagsaluhang ensayo at laro. Para kay Fesumal, ang intensity ni Brownlee ay hindi nagbabago anuman ang sitwasyon, regular season man o malaking laro. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya excited sa match-up, kundi mas nakatutok sa paghahanda.
I'm not excited to face Justin because I know that when we play him, he's gonna give us 110% and he's the best import ever maybe, arguably. So I'm excited to talk to him before and after the games, but during the game, I know he's gonna bring it. I know that we have to step up when we play him because he's always gonna be there. I think that all of us can learn when we're playing against him. Even when I was playing with him, I learned a lot. So I'm looking forward to playing against him, but I'm not looking forward to him, playing well against us.
Matapos magkulang sa panalo para makapasok sa playoffs noong nakaraang conference, naniniwala si Fesumal na wala ng puwang para sa pagkabitin. Playoffs ang hinahabol ng Titan Ultra Giant Racers at wala ng iba.
I think it's no doubt we have to make the playoffs. I think last conference we were just a win away, but of course one win away is the difference between making it and not making it. And I really believe that this team can make the playoffs. Even if we traded Calvin away, we still have a lot of guys that can step up. And again, the import is a big deal. If he's a good import, he's a good guy. He fits well with us. We have a big chance of making the playoffs, which is, I think, the goal of most of the guys here. Some of the guys have never experienced it, so I hope that we can at least get to the playoffs and see what happens.
Para sa isang koponang patuloy na binubuo ang kanilang mukha sa liga, malaki ang bigat ng pagkukulang noong huling conference, lalo na't may mga manlalaro na hindi pa nakakaranas ng postseason basketball. Aminado rin si Fesumal na mag-iiba ang daloy ng laro sa isang import-driven conference. Sa ganitong setup, mas iikot ang opensiba sa import at kailangan mag-adjust ang mga local players.
Last conference was my first conference with them, but of course no import. This conference with the import, I think first things first, we have to get a good import. I have to develop the chemistry with him because he's going to play a lot of the minutes. And us local guys, we have to step up. It's an import conference. Of course, the ball's going to go to the import. So we all have to slide down a little bit in our roles. The usage rate will not be as high as it was last conference. So we're going to have to find a way to be effective no matter what the situation is and make sure we give support to the import we get.
Para kay Fesumal, ang hamon ay ang manatiling epektibo kahit mas konti ang tira at hawak ng bola isang aspetong magtataya kung handa na nga ba ang Titan Ultra na umabante sa numero 1 liga sa bansa. Ako si Sus Valdez, Abante Sports, nauna.